minute.
That's break 2.
Because normally a break is about 5 minutes.
So
How are we going to do breaks on Spreaker Live?
We just won't have nothing playing.
Okay.
it'll take the audio of what they see.
Yeah.
So it'll take the audio of what's playing through visual. Okay.
Hey guys, this is Lil Mix.
So Lele is break 2, right?
Okay, you're not gonna run both of them in one break and then come back and do the second break? There's like only like 2-3 breaks in a half hour.
2 breaks. So I mean I got 27 seconds with Lay, and then Rez is 30 seconds. So that's a minute of commercial.
Okay, well at least 2.
So let me see what else.
You got a PSA in there? We should cut a PSA for the donations for the babies.
Buffalo Babes?
Yeah.
Next time. Yeah, next
Do
time.
we have one cut though?
Not for the Buffalo Babes. I didn't cut one for the Buffalo Babes.
I think I got another one we threw on there. Hold on, let me see here.
I mean, I could do one.
No.
Yeah, good thing, yeah.
Yeah, we'll put it in for next week.
Hey, Doc. Can you click on that last link that I sent you and tell me what that sounds like? Because that's like now.
I got WDAP though.
Well, you can throw that in there. And probably throw in DAP TV logo. The, what's the name?
Did you click on that last link that I sent you, Doc? The last one is where it says test 3 Sound Blaster. Where it says test 3 Sound Blaster.
That sounds much better than it did before.
I got Donna's.
No, I don't want to confuse the two. I will play that in the second break, not the first.
That sounds much better than it did before. I got Donna's.
No, I don't want to confuse the two. So, put up the DAPTV logo and Leon and Brown the dealer. Red reverse.
That's horrible. There's something like going through. I don't know.
Alright, so